the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the garden, the bathroom. Welcome to our house. Come and see all the rooms.
1.
This is the living room. Oh, there's no one here.
2.
This is the kitchen. Mum's cooking.
3.
This is the bathroom. Dad's in there. He's having a shower.
4.
And this is my bedroom.
And my bedroom. Hi, Amal. What a lovely house, Hala.
5.
Look out the window. You can see the garden.
Let's play in the garden.
1.
Where's this?
The living room.
2.
Where's this?
The kitchen.
3.
Where's this?
The bathroom.
4.
Where's this?
Hala and Amal's bedroom.
5.
Where's this?
The garden.
6.
Who's in the living room?
No one.
7.
Where's Hala's mum?
In the kitchen.
8.
Where's Hala's dad?
In the bathroom.
9.
Where's Amal?
In her bedroom.
10.
Where does Fiona want to play?
In the garden. One. Read and match. 1. A kitchen, E. 2. A bedroom, D. 3. A living room, A. 4. A bathroom, B. 5. A garden, C. 2. Right. Say. 1. She's in the living room. 2. She's in the kitchen. 3. She's in the garden. 4. She's in the bedroom. 5. She's in the bathroom.
What are you doing? Reading a newspaper. Having a shower. Watching TV. Cooking. sleeping. Playing with toys.
1. Where's Mum?
She's in the garden.
What's she doing?
She's reading a newspaper.
Cross.
2.
Dad's in the bathroom. He's having a shower.
Tick.
3.
Grandmother's in the kitchen. She's cooking.
Cross.
4.
Grandfather's in the bedroom. He's sleeping.
Tick.
5.
Amal's in her bedroom. She's playing with toys.
Cross.
6. Where are you, Hala?
I'm in the living room.
What are you doing?
I'm watching TV.
Tick.
Where's Mum?
In the garden.
What's she doing?
Reading a newspaper.
Where's Dad?
In the bathroom.
What's he doing?
Having a shower.
Where's Grandmother?
In the kitchen.
What's she doing?
Cooking.
Where's Grandfather?
In the bedroom.
What's he doing?
Sleeping.
Where's Amal?
In her bedroom.
What's she doing?
Playing with toys.
Where's Hala?
In the living room.
What's she doing?
Watching TV. Read and circle. 1. Dad's in the bathroom. He's having a shower. 2. Hala's watching TV. She's in the living room. 3. Grandmother's cooking. She's in the kitchen. 4. Amal's in her bedroom. She's playing with toys. 2. Right. 1. He's watching TV. 2. She's sleeping. 3. She's reading a book.
What are you doing? Lots of words and pictures. I'm reading a newspaper here in the living room. What are you doing? Hear the water splashing. I'm having a shower here in the bathroom. What are you doing?
Where's Dad? He isn't in the bathroom. He's in the bedroom. Where are Mum and Grandmother? They aren't in the garden. They're in the living room.
Where's Mum? She isn't in the kitchen.
She's in the bathroom.
Where are Hala and Amal? They aren't in the living room.
They're in the kitchen.
Where's Grandmother? She isn't in her bedroom.
She's in the garden.
Where's Grandfather? He isn't in the bathroom.
He's in his bedroom.
Where are Aunt and Uncle? They aren't in the garden.
They're in the living room.
1.
Where's Grandfather? He isn't in the living room.
He's in the bathroom. He's having a shower. 2. Mum isn't in the kitchen. She's in the bedroom. She's sleeping. 3.
Where's Dad? He isn't in the garden.
He's cooking. He's in the kitchen. 4.
What are Hala and Amal doing? They aren't playing with their toys.
They are cooking with Dad. 5.
What are Aunt and Uncle doing? They aren't sleeping.
They are watching TV in the living room. 6. Grandmother, what are you doing? Oh, she isn't reading a newspaper. She's sleeping.